To turn on flashlight for incoming calls on Redmi A5, all you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From here you will have to scroll all the way down and go for the system, and although actually my bad, you will have to actually go a little bit up and go for the accessibility. That is the place where you wanna go, and from here scroll all the way down, and there you have to go for the flash notifications. Let's press this one, and as you can see, this is the function that will flash the camera light or the screen when you receive notifications on where the alarm sound goes. So simply turn on with this switch right here, camera flash, and by pressing this button you'll have the preview, and as you can see on the bottom, on the top left corner, there is this flashing, and you can additionally turn on the screen flash on the screen, as you can see. So yeah, that's basically how you can turn on the flashlight for incoming calls.